Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on this marketing section at the upper part of your screen and select email. So once you've clicked on email, you need to click on this create email button at the upper right side of your screen and click on automated. But as you can see, I cannot use this because I don't have the premium account. So here, create a personalized email that's automatically sent to contacts through a workflow. Okay. So once you've clicked on automated option, just go ahead and select any template that you want. You can also edit that. Okay. So once you've done that, what you need to do is to do all the settings. Okay. Set the settings. And once you've set the settings, what you need to do is to click on the review and save button. So you should see that at the upper right corner of your screen, okay? It is the orange button. So once you've clicked that, what you need to do is to click on again the save for automated button. I think that is the button. So once you've clicked on that button, that is how you create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot. So you can just go ahead and use that automated email, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.